Pete with the smallbusinessresourcecenter.com and Small Business Resource Center YouTube channel. I'm gonna go over some coronavirus news and stimulus package news later, but first, I sold all my Pfizer stock, every single stock. I did make a little profit. Shouldn't be laughing. Hopefully, if you're watching this, you'll learn something, because keep in mind, I'm not giving stock advice. This is for entertainment only. Consult a broker before you buy or sell any stocks. The reason why I have to say that is because apparently people like to sue people when you tell them your opinion and you do it. But anyways, here's what's happening. Pfizer seemingly was doing pretty well. The coronavirus hit. Their 2019 wasn't so great, and in my opinion, they are a very strong candidate for having a coronavirus vaccine. But because of the financial performance of the company, 930 Barron's had stated that they are removed from the Dow. So when you're looking at that, the Dow Industrial or S&P Dow Jones is industrial average. When you're removed from the Dow, a lot of bigger companies, they will not be purchasing as much of your stock, because a lot of companies invest in the Dow, and a lot of companies, basically, the way the brokerages are set up, they only invest in larger performing companies. So their stock actually took a dip. It went down 1.2%, which doesn't seem like that much, but when you're looking at, them having a peak today, 38.24, and then they went down to 37.71. It's a pretty big dip. Chances are they're going to be dipping a little bit further. They were on the Dow Industrial since 2004, by the way. And in my opinion, do they still have a very good chance of making a coronavirus vaccine? I would have to say yes, but will their stock price go down? And if I sold now, will I be able to get a better price later? I would also agree with that. And if you did see my other videos, I did talk about Apple and Tesla. I mean, I don't want to go over everything that I look at, but if you have questions, let me know. But in my opinion, you might be able to buy back into Pfizer in a couple weeks or even a couple days, because the stock price is going down. Well, anyways, this is going to be short news, because that's basically it. Another thing that I was looking at was Merck. I don't know if any of you are invested in Merck, but they do have an oral antiviral that was used for influenza and can also be good for SARS, and the coronavirus is very similar. That development may be next month. So Merck can be on the radar for potential buy and a potential jump if they have an antiviral that's good at treating the coronavirus orally, and that's available. I wonder how many people are going to jump on board to take it and how it would be available. But they're finishing their phase 3 trials for that, and they're hoping to start some news on that on September. This is Pete with the smallbusinessresourcecenter.com and Small Business Resource Center YouTube channel. Smash a like button, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and share this with a friend. Let me know if you have questions about anything, and have a great day.